Dear students, today we will talk about one of the most important topic is articles. Dear student, my name is DN Sukla from LPM Public School. So, article is very important. You need to listen me very carefully and understand about article. There are two types of article: definite article and indefinite article. Some examples are given here. She has a dog. This is an good place. So first sentence is right. Second, the use of an is incorrect. She seems to be a nice person. This is correct. Please pass me a pen. This is also correct. I saw an elephant, not a, this morning. I always wanted to be a teacher. So, dear student, the words a, an, and the are called articles. They are used to point out people or thing. There are two types of article: definite article and indefinite article. A and n are called indefinite articles as they are used when we are not talking of any person or thing in particular. In such condition, you can use indefinite article a and an. Some examples are given here: a chair, a table, a box, a bag, an apple, an umbrella, an ant, an igloo. We always use a and an before countable nouns in the singular number. However, we do not use articles before uncountable nouns. Dear student, when the noun is countable and singular, you can use a and n because a and n are weak form of one. We do not say a tea because tea is uncountable, an ink, ink is uncountable, or a sugar because sugar is cannot be counted. We can say a cup of tea, a bottle of ink, a pack of sugar, etc. The use of a or n depends upon the beginning sound of the word before which it is placed. So this is depend on the sound of the word. If the noun, the countable noun begins with consonant sound, we use a toy, a pen, a cat, a bike, and we use a before any word that begins with a vowel but is pronounced with a consonant sound. However, the first letter is vowel a, e, I, o, u, but the pronunciation is the first pronunciation of the word is consonant sound. So in such condition, we use a university, a unit, a one-eyed monster, a one-way street. We use a before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a vowel sound. In such condition, we use an egg, an apricot, an ox. We use an before abbreviations in the consonant begins with a vowel sound. The first letter written consonant, but the sound is vowel. An MA, an MP. So you can see that the first sound is vowel. So we use an. We use an before words beginning with the letter H which is not pronounced, mean to say it has the pronunciation of vowel sound. An hour, an honest person. Some sentences are written here. A bull has horns, an elephant is an intelligent animal. Here, a bull represents the entire class of bulls. Thus, we can use a or n before a singular countable noun that is used to represent a class or thing. The indefinite article is used when a singular countable noun follows the words what and such. For example, what a great dress. He is such a nice man. In such condition, we can use a or n. It is used to indicate one. When we indicate any one thing, we use a or n. Not a word was uttered. The indefinite article is also used when we speak of a profession. When we speak about the profession of any person, we use indefinite article. He is an artist, you are a teacher, she is a lawyer. Dear student, next point that I am going to tell you, words like dozen, quarter, hundred, thousand, few, little and lot are preceded by a. Can you give me a little sugar? He bought a dozen egg. It is a quarter of a kilometer to the station. A lot of people appreciated the program. So these are the examples that will help you to understand. Now we use little with quantity and few with number. A little means some. Little means hardly any. A few means some. Few means hardly any. Look at these sentences. Some sentences are written here. Look at these. There is a little tea left in the pot. Here, a little implies some. There is little chance of his coming in the rain. Here, little means hardly any. A few boys have done very well in the exams. Here, a few suggest some. And the meeting was attended by few women, but many men came. Means here, hardly any. Now, exercise A is given for your practice. Feed in the blanks with A or N where necessary. Where it is necessary, you can fill A or N. His son is genius. It is an our honor to be here. I need to buy ink pot. We put up at a hotel in an English town. Aunt of mine who lives in Mumbai has met with an accident. We met an American and a European, not an A. We met an American and a European at the New Year party. I would like you to give me an egg, a slice of bread, and an orange. Next, exercise 8. In an hour. An hour. We should be in Delhi. 9. I must buy an umbrella. 10. It is pleasure to meet you. 11. As a child, I read a story about a unicorn. 12. There was a merchant in the train who wanted to put up at an inn. So this exercise is given for your practice. And now the definite article the is used to refer to a particular person or thing. Dear student, now we are going to talk about the definite article the, and the is used to refer to a particular person or thing. Let's read a book. We could not read the book we got from the library. So here the book is particular, that is why the is used. Remember that a or n can only be used with singular countable nouns, but the can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns, whether in the singular or in the plural. So in the first sentence, we are not talking of any book in particular. Let's read a book. But in the second sentence, we can read the book we got from the library. In this sentence, we mean a specific book. That is why the is used. Dear students, the definite article is used when we speak of a person or thing that we have already referred to. For example, the girl is standing next to me is my cousin. I went to a shop yesterday to buy an umbrella, but the shop was closed. Okay, so this is clear that we use definite article when we speak of a person or thing that we have already referred to. We use the when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. Dear student, in this condition you can use the when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. For example, the tiger is a majestic creature. So here the tiger word is used for whole class of tiger. The definite article is used with superlatives. When you write the superlative degree, so it is compulsory, must use the. He is the most intelligent student in the class. It is used in phrase such as the first, the last, the only, the next, the following, and the previous. Whenever, dear student, you use first, last, only, next, following, and previous, never forget to use the before these phrases. For example, he is sitting in the first row. Next point I am going to tell you. The is used with nouns such as earth, sky, moon, sun. Mean to say, we use the with the name of unique things. Those are only one in the world, in the universe. We could see the sun through the clouds. It is used before ordinals. Dear student, there are two types of number. Cardinal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ordinal numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So these are ordinal numbers. Whenever you write ordinal numbers in sentence or speak, never forget to use the before that. She was the fourth person to ask me the same question that day. It is used before an adjective when the noun is understood. Dear student, when the noun is understood in the sentence and any adjective is used for that noun, we use the before that adjective. We should encourage the blind. So here it is the blind is an adjective and that is used for noun that is person or people, those are blind. So it is understood here. So we use the before the adjective. We should encourage the blind to be self sufficient. Dear student, the is used before the names of musical instruments. There are lots of musical instruments, you know about them. They are used to entertain us. So, whenever you use their name, use the before. He plays the piano. Piano is a musical instrument. So, the is used before that. The definite article used before certain proper nouns. For example, the names of river. You can use the before the names of rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna. Before the names of sea, the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea. You can use the before the name of oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Dear student, the is used before the names of mountain ranges. Remember the point, you can use the before the names of mountain ranges. The Himalayas, the Vindhyachal, the Aravalli, the Andes, the Alps. So these are the names of mountain ranges. And one thing I would like to inform you, that never use the before the mountain peaks like Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga. So these are the peaks of the mountains. So never use the before peaks of the mountain. Dear student, the is used before the names of families and nationalities. Family representing words like the Suklas, the Rais, the Barnwals. So you cannot use the before. You use the before the family representing or nationality representing words like the Indian, the French, the German, the English, the Chinese, the Italians, the European, the American. Okay, and you can use the before the name of holy books, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Ved, the Quran. So these are the names of holy books, religious books. Dear student, you can use the before name of newspapers, the Telegraph, the Pioneer, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Business Standards. Mean to say, if the name of any magazine, the India Today, the Outlook, the name of any magazine or the name of any newspaper is given, then you should use the before their name. I hope it is clear to every student. Now some more topics are given. You need to understand them, and as well as you have to learn them. You have to keep them in your mind. That is very important, because whenever you are writing or speaking, then you commit mistake of using definite or indefinite articles. So as we are talking about definite article, the is used with directions. Dear student, whenever you are speaking or writing about directions, the north, the south, the east, the west. So whenever you are talking about the direction, you should use the north, the west. It is used with countries if the name contains a common noun. If there is any country and which contains common noun, then you use the before their name. The United Kingdom, the United States. Here its states and kingdom both are common, that are used for many countries, many kingdom, many states are all over in the world. So they are common noun, and they are used as the name of a country, United Kingdom, United States. So you can use the before their name. I hope you are understanding the topic which I am telling you. Dear student, the is used before well-known buildings, historical buildings or institutions, the United Nations, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower. The is also used before abbreviation like the UN, United Nations, the USA, United States of America. We use the before classes of people, the rich, the poor. So these are the uses of the. I hope it is clear to every student. Now exercise B is given here, that is important. And dear student, in my next video I will tell you about all these exercises, as well as I will tell you about the no use of article, mean in which condition you should not use article. That all things I will tell you in my next video. I hope you are enjoying and it is helpful for you. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video.